Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. I am doing just an update, just a touch base, checking in kind of video, because I said I wanted to do those. I used to do them every Saturday, but I just don't have that much going on to do one weekly, so I'm just checking in to tell you what's coming up, kind of things that I've done that have kind of spiraled. Right now I'm spiraling into a new thing, which is very exciting for me, but this week is April. Today is actually April the 1st that I'm filming this on. You won't see it on this date, but this is the day I'm doing it. But this month is going to be busy, because smack in the middle of the month, from the 11th until the 26th, we will be on a cruise. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this cruise. Super excited. Let me see if I get the light better. There you go. Super excited about it. We're going to go through the Panama Canal. I'm taking you with me. So during that period of time, expect travel videos, and it is so much fun. So there's actually a Facebook group that was started of this cruise. So this is so crazy. So this Facebook started for this cruise, and I joined it because it's kind of cool. They talk about things that are coming up and people have ideas and whatever. The funniest thing was, somebody posted on there, where's everybody from? And she was from, I think, Alberta, Canada. So she's like, where's everybody from? And so a couple people said, where they were from. And then this one lady said she was from a place right up not very far north of us. In fact, I said, where are you? We're on the Southern Oregon coast. I said, where are you? Because we just took our boat motor up there. And I told her it was like on Saturday. It was a while ago. But I said, we just took the boat motor up there to get it repaired at this place. And she goes, isn't that funny? The people who own that place are friends of ours. And evidently they had lunch at the same place we had lunch on the same day. What are the odds, right? So then this other lady messaged me and said, so where are you from on the Southern Oregon coast? Because we're from, and she said where, same town as me. So we've already met and had lunch, these people that we've never met before, who were all flying to Florida to go through the Panama Canal. And here there's two people that are right here close. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's just funny. And I never would have known that if they didn't have this little Facebook group. But then the cool part is, this Facebook group, one of the ladies there, she contacted the ship or the company, and they said they would set up a meet and greet. So that's just going to be fun. But what are the odds? I just think that's crazy. But it's fun because we're going to first stop in Colombia to Cartagena, and then we go through the Panama Canal, and then we're going to go to Guatemala, we're going to go to Costa Rica, and we are going to a coffee plantation, which I'm very excited about. And I'm not big into shopping, because my thing is, if I can't eat it or wear it, I don't want it, because I'd have to dust it. So if I can't eat it or wear it, I don't want it. So I don't need to do a lot of shopping. So a couple of the excursions we have really don't have anything to do with shopping, because that's not my thing. So you guys will see that. I'll do videos of that. But what did I say? Colombia, Panama Canal, Guatemala, Costa Rica, and 2 places in Mexico. And then we come into San Diego and fly home from there. So excited. And I'm going to show you this. I told Lisa about this. She thought it was funny. So I made this shirt to wear, and if you know the movie, you'll know. And when I wear this on the ship, I'm going to wear it the day we go to Cartagena. And I feel like if anybody laughs, I'll know we have kind of the same sense of humor. Know what I mean? Like, anybody laughs, I'll be like, you and I. So I got this shirt, and I sublimated it. The back of it says, does this bus go to Cartagena? Okay. The front of it has this shirt, and it says Joan Wilder, Joan Wilder. Do you guys know? You know what that is? That's the movie Romancing the Stone that took place there. Anyway, so I thought I'm just going to wear this with my little black crop pants. That's what I'm going to wear. But we'll see. If anybody laughs at it, I'll know we have kind of the same sense of humor. If you think it's stupid and I shouldn't wear it, tell me. Right now. Tell me whether I should wear it or not. Because I just thought it was funny. Because that was, I don't know, just a thing. So I made that shirt. But speaking of making things and getting crafty, I am obsessed with machine embroidery, like all of the things. I'm hooked. So seriously, but I want to start decorating. I have one of those garden windows in my kitchen, and I cleaned out the bottom half of it because my friend Darty, hey Darty, she's that gal that I've told you I've known for like, well, 50 years now, 51 years. Anyway, we met when we were 14, and our birthdays are only like 3 days apart. Anyway, she decorates her kitchen window for the seasons. Well, I do my back porch, and I never thought about doing that, so I've cleared it out. When we get back, I want to decorate it for spring and summer. And I got some of those, you know, those Kimberbell things I showed you, which I'll put a link down there so you guys can go over check out their stuff. But I got a couple of these punch kits that I ordered on my own. These weren't sponsored to me. I just ordered these because I think they'd be super cute. And because they come in these great little kits, I'm going to put this in my carry-on. And because when we fly, we're flying from Eugene to Denver. We have like a 6-hour layover in Denver, and then we fly to Florida. And then the next morning, we go over the ship, and it leaves on the 12th, Saturday the 12th. So we're actually going to be in Denver on Friday. But it's like a 6-hour layover. Luckily, we're military, so we can go sit in the USO. So that's kind of nice. But I thought I could work on one of these punches. So see that one? I think that would be super cute in my kitchen window. Don't you? And it's got everything here. So I can just take this away. I'm taking this one with me to do. I'm excited about that. And then I might do this one too because they're nice and small. See, look at the size of that hoop right there. It's not huge. It's something I could do, and I can still do it on the ship too and keep everything closed in. And so they're not heavy. That's kind of cool. So I'm kind of hooked on the punch needle. And our next door neighbor, they came over for pizza, nice young family, and she is interested in punch needles. So we kind of talked about that. That's super cute. Then a couple of the other kits, and these will be projects that I'm going to do when I get home. So I'm going to take you, I got a couple videos like this week. In fact, now that I'm thinking about it, I'll put this video up, and then I'll put my video that I'm making for dinner tonight, and then we'll do all the travel videos. And then when I get back, a lot of crafty stuff, a lot of stuff in the sewing room because I have some amazing stuff. So first of all, I got this. This is one of those all-included kits, but see, it's like a book cover. See that? It's like a book cover. Can you see? And I thought that would make a really pretty, because I like the way what happens is it's long. It's got the part that goes over the front, and then it's long, and this part flips into the book, and then it's got this elastic goes, because it's kind of like a space place, like it'll flip into the book. Like it doesn't just end at the book. It actually extends farther, so it kind of flips over into the book and kind of as a placeholder. Does that make sense? But I thought this would be really pretty. I'm going to make the one with the kit with all the fabrics that come with it. And then I think I'll make, you can make a bunch of them. And I thought it'd be nice for a Bible. That'd be a nice Bible cover. So I'm going to make that one. This I'm excited about. This one called Sweet as Pie Bench Pillow. Do you see how cute? Let me get you without a glare. Do you see that bench pillow? Like it's got all the pies. How cute. I ordered this. This is on me. I ordered this. This wasn't sent to me. But I am so excited because it is so darn cute. And I ordered the embellishment kit. So it's got like this will look like the aluminum foil pan. And it's got all of the things that really give it the look. And I just think it's adorable. Let me see. See close up. See how you see it? It's all the little things. But you know what? I'm making this for the county fair. This I'm going to put in the county fair, this little bench pillow. So I got to get on this as soon as I get back. So I will make this with you guys. So there's that. I also have, I'm not going to get this one done for Easter, but I will get it done for next Easter. I have the, I showed you guys the Hopping Down the Bunny Trail. If you want to make a project before Easter, this would be the one. It is so cute. Looky, look. See how cute that is? I even got the embellishment kit, which has all the little doodads to make it look just like the one on the picture. So there's that. But here's another thing. And I need to get on this too. Let me show you. Hold on. I got to bend down. So I've ordered these things because I feel like I need projects, right? Well, what I ordered was, this is a thing called Me Time Delivered, and it's from Kimberbell. But it's a monthly kit. Now, I started late, so I had to go back and order the previous ones. But I'll show you what it is. This is so cool. It is a complete nativity set. Hang on, let me see if I can find one that's got a picture. I want the whole picture. I don't know. Well, here's like the three wise men. See that? I want to find one that's got the whole picture. But see, these instructions walk you through it. So I want to do this whole nativity. There's the three wise men, and then let me see what else. But it makes this whole nativity, and I'll show you one thing that I think is super cool. Let me find one that's got it. Has this one got it? There's what this. Okay, so they have like these three panels that go behind that show like the scenery, and then there's the wise men, and then there's the manger and all that stuff. I'm excited about making it. But when you get the whole kit, this is why I got the kit. It's like a no-brainer. I don't have to think about it. It even includes like these ones that have the panel, the thing, the stand, the holder. So like this is one of the panels. See, that's going to go, and that's a good size. It's big, and it actually comes with the stand. You can see the stand that holds that up. So those three are behind it, and then it has, like, is that a panel? Yeah, that's a panel. Let me see if I can show you one of the things. Oh, so then there's like this. This is, I think, this is called Return to Bethlehem. But see, it has like the little buildings. So you have the whole nativity all done. And so this is a project I need to get started. If I finish it before July, I could enter this in the county fair. Because, you know, I love to enter stuff in the county fair. So there's that. So I have to get busy on these when I get back. Because look, I ordered all the back ones because they start in November. And I ordered it in February. So I had to go back and order November, December, January. And then I've got February and March. April will be here before I get back. So I'd have to make all of those. So I've got those. And then I ordered the one that, the box. It's a box. It comes out twice a year. And it has a whole bunch of projects in it. I just got that for later. But the nativity scene and the sweetest pie. I know that this is going to be a good one for the county fair. I know it. And it's going to be fun. So I need to make this one definitely for the county fair. Let me open it up. And this is one of the ones, they're digital now. But this is the one that came with a CD, and you put it in there and you download it, and then you put it on a thumb drive and it goes in your machine. So this one still has that, the CD, which is fine for me. It works. But I am so excited. And it's like dimensional. Like you feel the pie, like the lattice on the pie. Just so cool. So I'm going to make those when I get back. So I'm excited about that. I am basically packed for the cruise because I realized that nothing I'm taking is actually anything I would wear here because it has been high 40s, low 50s. Ooh, we got up to 60 degree, I think, last week. So it's not warm enough here to wear the things that I'm taking on our cruise. I've got like, you know, crop length pants and stuff like that. So I don't need those. So I'm already packed except for our carry-on, my toiletries and stuff that I need. Other than that, and I was trying to decide which project. I'm just going to take both of them. So that'll be cool. I'll do that in the USO in Denver. And I hope you guys enjoy our trip. I'm excited about this cruise. And then while we're on this cruise, I think we're going to book another one because a friend of ours has never been on a cruise and she's never been to Alaska. And we're like, we can go back to Alaska anytime because we love it. So I might book another one for August or so for 7 days. But for this one, I'm hoping to do some really cool videos because I think that this is going to be a fun trip. But there's that. So I'm just kind of getting ready for that. But I'll have a couple videos. There'll be this one and then I'll have another video or two next week before we actually get going. So keep an eye out for that. And then I think that's it. If you guys think that that shirt for my trip is stupid, let me know. I think it's funny. I don't know. It's just me. But anyway, there's that. That's all we're doing. The chickens are doing good. Snickers is doing good. Everything around the house is doing good. And I'm just excited about our spring and summer. And then we're moving into County Fair Week. And you know I love that. That's not until July. But you know what? Time is flying by. You guys, make every minute count because it goes by fast. So anyway, I hope you guys all have a wonderful spring and Easter. And I hope it's all good because Easter will happen while we're gone. But other than that, I hope you guys look forward to and enjoy our upcoming videos from our trip. And that's about it. So As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.